Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to save Twitch streams VODs permanently. Right, so how you can do this, right? Because in your case you might find this issue that all this past stream is not available and unfortunately you won't be able to see this. So to fix this issue, you have to go and click on your profile icon, which is on the top right. Now here you have to go on click on channel dashboard. So here maybe you might not find it, which is here in the analytics, and let me show you and I will just show you very easily. Let's say I'm just watching a stream over my Twitch, right? And then I will just go and click on my profile icon, click on create a dashboard here. Then here you have to go to the settings, then go and click on stream, scroll a little bit down, and here this is the settings which I'm talking about, VODs. So here you have to turn this on, store past broadcast. Automatically, it will say broadcast for up to 7 days, 14 days for affiliates, 16 days for partners, and for the prime users, right? Make sure that you have turned this on, and also always publish VODs, right? And in this way you will never you will always find this past streams on your account. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.